Dear students, today we are going to learn about the factors which are affecting on the rate of corrosion. So we have two factors which are affecting on rate of corrosion. First one, that is based on the nature of metal, and the second one is based on the nature of environment. Now we will see which are the factors which are basically affecting on nature of metal and environment. So if you talk about the first one, that is nature of metal, in that the first sub factor is position of metal in the galvanic series. So if two different metals are connected together and in aqueous conducting medium, then in that case the higher placed metal in the galvanic series will be act as the anode, and that will be undergo the corrosion process, while those metal which is at the bottom of the series, that will be act as a cathode and it remains protected. Second thing in this case is rate of corrosion is depends upon the difference in the positions. That means more the metals are apart in the galvanic series, the faster the corrosion of your anodic metal, because more the current is generated during the corrosion process. So in the position of metal in the galvanic series, first factor is when two different metals are connected, higher placed metal is undergo corrosion, and the rate is completely depends on the difference between the two metals in the galvanic series. Second subfactor is the relative areas of anode and the cathode. See, the rate of corrosion is proportional to the ratio of cathodic area to the anodic area. That means if larger the cathodic area, that means it will be having higher demand for the electron, and this demand can be met only by smaller anode undergoing the rapid corrosion process. So if you want to do the better design by the use of two metal, we should select the anodic area is much larger compared to the cathodic area. So good design, if you want to select it, your anodic area should be larger compared to the cathodic area. Third factor is the purity of metal. So if impurities are present in the metal, a small or teeny galvanic cell formation is taking place, and in that case, if your impurity is a passive means it is lower position in the galvanic series, then the metal is undergo corrosion, and if your impurity is more active, then the faster corrosion of the impurity is taking place by the local action. The fourth subfactor is the physical state of the metal. See, smaller the grain size of the metal, the greater the solubility. Greater the solubility, that means greater the dissolving tendency, that means the greater the rate of corrosion. So whether it is wet corrosion or the dry corrosion. A very simple example I can mention here. Steel and cast iron, if you compare, steel is undergo faster corrosion compared to the cast iron, because the grain size in the steel are the smaller size. So smaller the grain size of the metal, faster the rate of corrosion process. Next factor which are affecting on the rate of corrosion is the nature of oxide film. So this topic we already learned in the nature of oxide film in mechanism of the dry corrosion. If your oxide film form is a completely non-porous or protective, then it itself acts as a barrier, and further dry corrosion or electrochemical corrosion will not be taking place. On the contrary side, if the film is a porous in nature, that means the continuously oxygen get penetrate and the metal is undergo complete destruction either by dry mechanism or either by wet mechanism. And the last subfactor which are affecting on the nature of metal is the ore voltage. Now what is meant by ore voltage? See, basically in acidic medium, electrochemical corrosion is taking place by the hydrogen evolution mechanism. See, the voltage or the potential at which the hydrogen gas is liberates, this is called as the decomposition potential. Now this decomposition potential is completely theoretical value, and it is practically observed that at this potential the actual evolution of hydrogen is not taking place. We require additional higher potential for the evolution of hydrogen, because formation of hydrogen gas from the hydrogen ion is completely slow process. See, whatever the additional voltage or potential is required, it is called as the activation potential. So we have two terms. First is the decomposition potential, which is a theoretical value, and second term is activation potential, which is a practical value. And the difference between the theoretical potential and the actual potential at which the hydrogen gas evolve, it is called as the over voltage value. And higher the over voltage, slower and lesser the corrosion process. So good example for this is pure zinc. If you see here, it is placed in the one normal sulfuric acid, it undergo the corrosion, hydrogen gas is evolved, but even though the zinc is placed higher position in the electrochemical series, its rate of corrosion in the initial stage is very slow, because it is having the over voltage value is 0.70 volt. So in the over voltage value, two terms are important. First, that is decomposition potential value, and the second one, that's the activation potential. Difference between the decomposition potential and activation potential is called as the over voltage value. And this over voltage value, if it is higher, slower and lesser the rate of corrosion process. Now we will see which are the factors which are affecting on the nature of environment. The first one is the temperature. See, at the higher temperature, rate of corrosion is faster. This is because the rate of chemical reaction as well as the rate of diffusion is faster at the higher temperature, because the attacking gas as well as metal gets activated at the higher temperature. So we can say rate of corrosion is increases with increase the temperature factor. The second factor, which based on the nature of environment, is a moisture. So moisture is a deciding factor in dry corrosion as well as the wet corrosion. As we know that relative humidity, if it is higher, fog or moist in air, it provides the aqueous conducting medium and it forms the differential aeration cell or galvanic cell formation, and that's why a rate of corrosion is faster after this cell formation. The third factor is the pH. See, as generally we said, in acidic medium the rate of corrosion is faster compared to the alkaline or neutral medium. So if you take the example of corrosion of iron or steel, it's a minimum at pH 5, but at the lower pH, means when the pH is going to decreases, acidic condition is there, its corrosion rate is going to increases. So few more examples are given. Zinc gets minimum corroded at the pH 11, means in the alkaline condition rate of corrosion is lower. Tin gets minimum corroded at the pH is around 8.5. So these are the example is there. So we can say acidic media have a more corrosive effect on the metallic surface. A next factor which are affecting on the nature of environment is the conductivity of the corroding medium. Just let's take the example. So one is having the mineral soil and second is having the sandy soil or sand soil. See, corrosion current is basically depends on the corroding medium. What is meant by corrosion current? It's a flow of electron from anodic to the cathodic areas. So if you consider in mineral soil, your corrosion current is faster compared to the sand soil. That means the rate of corrosion is in mineral soil is faster compared to the sand soil. And the last factor which are affecting is the nature of ions which is present in environment in the medium. So there are two types of ions, chloride and nitrate ion if it is there. So these two ions is having the ability, it can break down non-porous oxide film also. So once it break down, that means it enhance the corrosion process. And in the opposite side, few of the ion like oxalate ion, phosphate ion, silicate ion, these are having the ability, it can slow down the rate of corrosion by forming some insoluble product on the metallic surface. So chloride and nitrate, if it is there, it increases the rate of corrosion, while your oxalate ion, phosphate ion, silicate ion, if it is there, It forms some insoluble product that will be act as a barrier, and it is responsible for slowing down the rate of the corrosion process. So these are the factors which are affecting on the nature of metal as well as the nature of environment. So in the examination, the question is two types. Explain the factors which are affecting on the rate of corrosion based on the metal. This is first question. And second question is explain the factors which are affecting on the rate of corrosion based on the nature of environment.